Hello, everyone. I'm Paul. Welcome to paulhruhra's YouTube channel. Today, I'm sorry, this is not a lesson, not a regular lesson. This is a special um, video for me to explain the issue about my scam. So, for those who are interested in watching, please, you're welcome. Today's number video lesson is 26. Like I said, it's not a regular lesson. The topic today is the nature of the scam. So I'm going to talk about my experience with a scam that happened to me online on the internet. This happened last year in 2024. Here is a report. So this is a report I made for the police department here in Krum Thep or Bangkok, near where I live. It is about almost 4 pages. So I first typed in English, of course, in the police office, and then sent the report to a Thai translation company. So this is the translation. So this is the police translation, not the Thai company's translation. So a little complicated. The police department uses my translation and then they make a new report. That is how they do it here. So about this scam, let me explain. People have different opinions and ideas about what is a scam. So this one I will try to explain to you, and I hope you can get some understanding from it. So here is where I am. I'm in Thailand, okay, in the main city, Krum Thep, Bangkok. And there are scam centers. So you can see this on the internet. YouTube has reported scam centers. In Southeast Asia, it's reported they are in these regions. Number one, you can check what country this is. I'm not going to say. Number two, and number three. As you can see, they operate around Thailand. So there are other scam centers in the world. I'm just going to talk about these ones that happened to me. Now, about my scam, I'm not saying it's from any of these countries because the scammer spoke English to me, the agent who represents the company. However, they said their label is in Thailand. However, who can believe that? Because there are scam centers with many people willingly or unwillingly working for them, the actual companies, organizations, very big. They're into reportedly millions of dollars. So this is a very big operation. Unfortunately, I got involved in one. So first, scammers get victims to trust them. So my agent, using my smartphone, I started using my Facebook member page, and I saw this advertisement. So the advertisement interested me because I was interested in an online business. So the online business involved products, buying the products, and then paying 8% commission. So yes, I know it sounds crazy. However, I had a lot of time. I'm early retirement here in my 50s in Thailand. So I wanted to do a business. Of course, I searched other ideas, and I found the best idea for me was an online business. However, this advertised business was not a real business. I mean, not honest. It was a business, of course, scamming people like myself, getting victims to put in the money, in my case, transfer the money through my banks, and then offering me 8% commission on the process. So basically, I cannot explain everything here. However, the process usually starts with the scammers asking for a small amount of money. So first, you become a member. They advertise on Facebook, like I said, but we don't use Facebook for the operation of the business. They asked me to create an account on TikTok. So I had to create my ID on TikTok and register via Telegram. So Telegram is what the scammers use. So basically, the scammers start small amount of money, get you in the process of working in the business, and then move bigger amounts fast. So here, like I said, I cannot explain how this is done. Perhaps on another video, I can kind of show on my smartphone how they do it. This is all done on my smartphone, not on my computer. I don't have a computer. So basically, to wrap this part up, I'd say you as a victim, or me, I had a goal and saw the advertisement. So this company met my goal, and they knew how to entice me to get involved. And so what they do is get the victims emotionally involved. Whatever type of scam it is, the emotions take over. So yes, I know people are saying, why can't you think that it was a scam? Didn't you see the signals? Yes, there are signals along the way. However, the human factor of let's say, ignorance, no experience, gets involved emotionally. So I was getting involved emotionally. And just to make a long story short, emotionally involved to the point where I only stopped myself when I went to my bank, sitting across from the bank representative, saying, should I deposit or transfer more money? And of course, the bank official's looking at me like, really? You think this is real? She said to me, the bank official said to me, just stop. I had my smartphone in my hand. It was actually going on, conversing with the agent. Bank official told me, don't reply. And that's the day I stopped. So this was a 3-day operation. Very quickly, I stopped on the 3rd day. Okay, so basically 3 points. I'm going to continue and then finish from here. So the reporting of the scam, like I tried to explain about the police report. So number 1, please report it to the local police in your area. Now, the police only can do so much, of course. It depends on the country and the area. Mine was mostly just paperwork, and then paperwork for the banks. So number 2, the paperwork, another piece of work, was sent to the banks. So my police chief, I asked him to type up new report to freeze the bank accounts of the scammers. Now the scammers here are actually just people working for the company. They're not necessarily the people talking to me. However, they are the people where I transfer my money to. And they are different bank accounts, so you can understand why. I think there were 4 different individuals, 4 different bank accounts. Obviously, they get the money and then disappear, right? And number 3, recovery, with a question mark. This is not a guarantee at all. Now, I hired a company on the internet, I found, and it seems to be a legit company. They've been working with me since over 8 months now, since the scam started, maybe 10 months. They're located in Israel, a group of lawyer team members, and they have connection to international banks. So they're working with the banks and hopefully with the banks that are involved with me. So recovery, we don't know. Hopefully I can report on that in another video. Okay, so that's all for today. If you have any questions or comments, you can find me at paulhruhra on this YouTube channel, and you can comment and question. And please subscribe. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something, enjoyed it. See you next time.